PSCRB exit exam set number 3. I'm going to show you now and read it out. Most of the life raft questions I compiled and some other questions too, but with this set number 3 I don't think it will complete. I am receiving more and more questions, so whatever is coming up I will put it in set number 4. Now we will go to the slides. Mariner's Digest by Mohandas G. PSCRB exit exam questions and answers set number 3. Question 1. An inflatable life raft is hand launched by dash. Answer is throwing the entire container overboard. Question number 2. The function of hydrostatic release unit HRU is dash. Answer to automatically unhook the lashing and release the life rafts when the ship sinks. So this happens in 2.5 to 4 meter depth. So HRU is a water pressure sensing device. Question number 3. The operating chord of the inflatable life raft has a length of dash. Answer is 100 feet. Operating chord 100 feet. Question number 4. How should the painter of life raft, which is fitted with hydrostatic release, be secured to the ship? Answer is secured via a weak link to a secured point on the ship. Question number 5. If the hydrostatic release mechanism for an inflatable life raft not periodically serviced and becomes inoperable, it will fail to dash. The answer is free the life raft from the vessel. It will fail to free the life raft from the vessel. Question number 6. All inflatable life rafts have dash water stabilizing pockets. Question number 7. The purpose of the 4 water pockets located on the underside at each corner of the raft is to dash. Answer is act as stabilizers by filling with seawater as soon as raft is inflated and keep it in upright position. Question number 8. If a life raft should capsize, dash. Answer is Right the raft using the righting straps. Question number 9. If an inflatable raft is overturned, it may be made upright by. Answer is standing on the inflating cylinder and pulling on the strap underneath. Question number 10. If an inflatable life raft inflates upside down, you can write it by dash. The answer is standing on top of the CO2 bottle, holding the bottom straps and throwing your weight backwards. See, question number 8, 9, 10 all are how to operate the inflatable life raft, asked in different manner. 8, 9, 10, all the 3 questions. Question number 11. Then canopy of an inflatable life raft should dash. The canopy of an inflatable life raft should dash. Answer is go into place as the raft is inflated. Question number 12. When floating, a life raft must be able to withstand repeated jumps onto it, both with and without the canopy erected, from a height above its floor of at least. The answer is 4.5 meters. That is why in practical PSCRB, you are asked to jump 4.5 meter height. Question number 13. After abandoning ship, which action should be taken immediately upon entering the life raft? Answer is get clear of the ship. Question number 14. What should you do as soon as you enter a life raft? Answer is take anti-seasick tablet. This is very important because sorry, if you don't take a seasick tablet, for your fluid loss because of vomiting, to compensate, they will not give water the first 24 hours. So you vomit, and if you don't compensate with water, that condition will lead to hypothermia, which will lead to shock and death. So that is the reason everyone must take a seasick tablet, because your survival craft is a very tiny object in the very large ocean. So everyone will get seasickness. Question number 15. Which of the listed requirements do not correspond to the present regulation regarding weak link? Weak link shall dash answer release the life raft at a depth of not more than 4 meters. Okay, that is the answer. Question number 16. An inflatable life raft should be lifted back aboard the ship by using. Answer is the towing bridle. Question number 17. One of the first actions to be taken by survivors when they have boarded an inflatable life raft is to dash. Answer is prepare to cut the painter. So after cutting the painter only, you can safely go away from the ship. Question number 18. The jackknife stored on an inflatable life raft will always be located dash. Answer in a special pocket near the forward entrance. Jackknife for cutting the painter. Question number 19. What is the purpose of sea anchor? Answer is to reduce drift. Question number 20. Your life raft is to leeward of a fire on the water, and riding to its sea anchor, you should first dash. Answer is board the sea anchor. Question number 21. The purpose of a tipping line on sea anchor is answer aid in the recovery. Question number 22. Body loses its heat dash times faster when immersed in cold water. Answer is 26 times faster. So that is why if at all you happen to stay in the water, you will have to keep your body away from the water. So you float on anything which is floating, try to keep the body above your waist, away from water. The thighs and legs are okay because all your organs are above your waist, and the temperature there is called core temperature. So that temperature should not go out, right? Your heat is escaped mainly through the top of the head, the neck, the armpits and groins. Okay, these are the area you will have to keep it away from water. Question number 23. A feature of an inflatable raft which helps keep people stationary in rough weather is dash. Answer lifelines on the inside of the raft. So life raft, if it is moving up and down in rough weather, people are sitting there inside. Okay, so you will be requiring something to hold. So there is lifeline all around the life raft. You can put both your arms inside and you can stay stable. Otherwise, you cannot control yourself. You will be colliding with each other. Question number 24. You are at sea in an inflatable life raft. In high latitudes, the greatest danger is dash. Answer is hypothermia caused by cold temperature. See, this hypothermia for mariners is the worst a thing that can happen, because hypothermia in the cold region, when you are working also, when the ship visits to this area also, if you are exposed to cold weather condition, cold water, cold temperature, then you will get hypothermia. That medical condition will lead to shock and death. So you will have to be very careful. Question number 25. Which of the listed requirements do not correspond to present regulation? The life raft shall have. The answer is manually controlled lamp fitted inside the life raft. That means with on off switch. That is not the requirement. Question number 26. Under what condition could you still perish when on a life raft at calm waters? Remember, calm waters. Spot the wrong answer. Answer is there might be a sudden swell due to wind to capsize the raft. So in the question they say calm waters, the sudden swell can never happen. That's why this is the wrong answer. Question number 27. A life raft shall be capable of withstanding an exposure when afloat in all sea conditions for how many days? Answer is 30 days. 30. Question number 28. What equipment out of the following Solas Pack B life raft does not have? Does not have. Answer is fishing tackle plus food plus drinking water. So all of you should know we have Solas Pack A and Solas Pack B. Solas Pack A will have all the LSA items, and that is carried by the ships above 500 GT making international voyage and passenger ship with more than 12 passengers. And that Solas Pack B is carried by the ships which are not going international voyages. They don't need fishing tackle, food, drinking water and all. So that Solas Pack B will have lesser number of LSA items. Okay. Question number 29. If you reach the shore in a life raft, the first thing to do is, answer, drag the raft ashore and lash it down for shelter. So you will have to take out the raft to the land, to the shore, and lash it down for shelter. Means there may be a rain, snow or hot sun, whatever, we can all stay inside. That is the reason you will have to take it to the land and lash it down. Question number 30. Checking and servicing life rafts as per PMS is dash. Answer is once a year. So you must have noticed the servicing due date is printed on the survival craft, on the life raft, on the life raft. So it goes every year. They take out the shore technician, they service it and bring it back. Question number 31. So 30 questions about concerning life rafts. Now we started some other questions about 20. Okay. Question 31. Wearing a life jacket, what will be a maximum safe height above water that can jump from? Answer is 4.5 meters or 15 feet. Okay. This is the maximum height IMO recommends for a mariner. Question number 32. Life jacket light have a source of energy capable of providing luminous intensity. It is intensity, one word, intensity of a dash for a period of dash. Answer is 0.75 CD, 48 hours. 0.75 CD, 48 hours. Question number 33. The life jacket has which of the following attached to it? Answer: RR tape plus whistle plus light. RR means retro reflective tape, whistle and light. So whenever you join a ship, first you check up your life jacket and immersion suit, whether all the accessories are there. If something is missing, whoever is in charge for LSA, his name is mentioned in the muster list, you contact him and get the replacement. It's very important. Question number 34. Which of the following requirements for immersion suit is correct? Done in 2 minutes. B. Allow the wearer to jump from 4.5 meters. C. Allow the wearer to climb down a vertical ladder of 5 meters. D is all of the above. So, dunning in 2 minutes is correct. Allowing the wearer to jump from 4.5 meters also correct. Allow the wearer to climb down a vertical ladder of 5 meters. That is also correct. Climbing down to board the life raft. Okay. So, all are correct. The answer is D, all of the above. Question number 35. Which is true concerning immersion suit and its use? Answer is, they provide sufficient flotation to do away with the necessity of wearing a life jacket. So, with the immersion suit, you need not wear a life jacket. With the immersion suit, you can float for a very long time, about 18 hours or so. Okay. There are different types of immersion suits that also you can find out from the internet. Question number 36. Which of the following regarding the immersion suit is true? Answer is, it's zipped to be greased using manufacturer recommended lubrication. So, this comes under maintenance of LSA item. So, as per the frequency, the date, how often you will have to grease it, that is also given in the manufacturer instructions. So, the zip will have to be greased with a manufacturer recommended lubrication. You don't apply some kind of grease or oil, they recommend. Question number 37. How is the external flotation bladder of an immersion suit inflates? External flotation bladder. Answer is, it is inflated by blowing through an inflation tube done by the wearer himself. You will have to blow through an inflation tube to get the external flotation bladder. Question number 38. The dunning time for immersion suit is? Answer, 2 minutes. Question number 39. What does this IMO symbol mean? Answer is immersion suit. Question number 40. A thermal protective aid should permit the wearer to remove it in water. Dash. Answer is in not more than 2 minutes. Question 41. Seasickness is caused by rolling or rocking motions which affect fluids in the dash. Answer is inner ear. Inner ear. Question number 42. The marine evacuation system shall be capable of transfer of people from ship within dash. Answer is 30 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. You will find this marine evacuation system in cruise vessels where large number of people are there, 2,000, 3,000, 7,000 people, 2,500 crew. Okay, so the SOLA's requirement is everyone will have to get down to their survival craft within 30 minutes. How it is going to be possible? They have this marine evacuation system that consists of slides and chutes, okay, and large size of life rafts, 100, 150 capacity. So they flow like water. Everybody is pushed through this marine evacuation system. Then only it is possible to evacuate within 30 minutes. Question number 43. The shelf life of a pyrotechnic is dash. Answer 48 months. So pyrotechnic consists of your orange smoke, flare, parachute, signal, hand flare. All the three are pyrotechnic, and their shelf life is 48 months. That means 4 years. How many are carried? 2 orange smoke float, 4 parachute signal, 6 red hand flare. 2, 4, 6. Hand flares, question number 44. Hand flares burn with bright red color. True. Question number 45. What does this IMO symbol mean? Answer is survival craft pyrotechnics. Question 46. Red parachute flares are called pyrotechnic. Question number 47. The number of rocket parachute flares in the lifeboat are 4. 4 numbers. Question number 48. Luminous intensity of rocket parachutes should not be less than dash. Answer is 30,000 CD. This question very often they ask. Question number 49. The same thing it is asked in different manner. Burning candle of rocket parachute dash. Answer is 30,000 CD. Question number 50. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the buoyant smoke signal does not correspond to present regulation? The buoyant smoke signal shall dash. Answer is give a bright red light during the entire emission time. See, It is a smoke signal. How it can give light? It will give only smoke. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, the 50 questions are over here, but all the questions are not covered yet. I am receiving some more questions, so I will put up in set number 4 to complete the entire PSCRB question bank. Thank you. See you with the set number 4 soon. Bye. All of you must subscribe. Okay, so please subscribe. Thank you.